Bank of America turns off the spigot for Fannie Mae. Here with more details is David Benoit. David, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. So let's take a little bit of a step back for our viewers. It's Friday, it's early morning, maybe not everybody's had their coffee. Start off by telling us, just giving us a little bit of the details about the relationship between Bank of America and Fannie Mae, how this works.
Sure. So here's what happens. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they take the loans and mortgages that lenders create, like Bank of America, and they turn around. Fannie and Freddie turn around and make securitizations with them, sell bonds, and Bank of America is then supposed to go create more mortgages and with the money they get from Fannie and Freddie, and it's a virtuous little cycle there.
Okay, supposed to though. You said virtuous cycle, no longer as of yesterday, right?
So what Bank of America has said yesterday that they revealed, they are no longer selling loans to Fannie, and they're still selling them to Freddie Mac. So it's not, Bank of America isn't totally getting out of the mortgage business or anything. And what's important here is that Fannie and Freddie really back most of the mortgages being created right now. They're really the whole mortgage market.
And this was a big change from obviously how the situation had been, right?
Yes. So Bank of America and Countrywide, we all love.
Mostly the Bank of America loves, right? That wonderful purchase that they made. Yes.
Used to create the vast majority of their loans went to Fannie. They were the dominant Fannie underwriter, and now Bank of America has decided that they're no longer going to work with Fannie at all. Could change in the future, but we'll see right now. And essentially, it's because of all those loans Countrywide created.
It's the problem with Countrywide, right? They were the ones who originated these faulty loans that are causing all of the problems. So the headache that was the Countrywide purchase continues, right? And here's another manifestation of it.
Exactly. These two are fighting right now. Fannie is saying all these loans Countrywide made, back in the mortgage boom, shouldn't have ever been made and shouldn't have been put to us. That Fannie and Freddie have very strict rules about what they're allowed to buy, and some people might say those rules were kind of tossed aside in the mortgage boom, but they're coming back now to the lenders and saying, no, this is your fault. And Bank of America is saying, we've had enough.
And so, what does this mean right now? What is this going to mean for Fannie? They obviously have, I said at the top of the show, kind of, turning off the spigot. They obviously have other spigots that are coming in. So, what does the fact that Bank of America is turning off their spigot mean? Are they going to have to turn more to other banks?
Well, so it's actually interesting. We're not really sure yet. There are kind of a lot of questions. Fannie's not really saying anything yet. One thing is Bank of America has already really kind of pared back. It's no longer anywhere near the top. Last few months it has not really been originating all that many mortgages. It's trying to deal with the Countrywide mortgages and kind of shifting their employees around. So it's not a huge number anymore. So we'll see what Fannie says. But right now it seems like this is more of a kind of a warning shot and kind of tough guy talk, and we'll see if there's anything fundamentally changed.
All right. Well, when it does, we will turn to David Benoit. Thanks so much for being here with us this morning, David.